Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in into another of my videos. So I finally got this done. It's fully 3D printed and we're gonna glue the last part. This has to be looking that way when this piece is looking that way. That's what I saw in a little statue I got. So we're gonna really try to put a lot of glue here. We use Loctite 406 is the best for this. And let's get going. I gotta do this so we can finally finish it and we can start working on the other parts. Ooh, this thing is strong. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it. We're gonna wait until it dries up and that's fully glue. That's all we really have to do, and after that it's done. We're gonna start working on the next step, that is gonna be painting it and smoothing it out. We're gonna use some fillers and something else to smooth in 3D prints. It's gonna be one of the best prints we got. So it's a first fully 3D print I got done. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Have a good one guys. Peace.